Do you want to get rid of your yeast infection in just 12 hours? Well, guess what? You can click the link in the description and get cured. Oh, and one more thing, it's permanent. You'll never have to worry about your yeast infection coming back ever again. So click that link in the description and get cured.
Your gynecologist does not want you to know this. The product that destroys fungi, bacteria and smelly. Some parts of our body, such as feet, breath and sweat, have a smell of their own. So does the vagina that has its own odor, given by bacteria that are part of its flora. However, women sometimes present with symptoms such as redness, itching of the genitals, mucosal swelling, vaginal discharge with an unpleasant odor, and even abdominal pain. That is why, when some of these symptoms occur, we must go to the doctor painfully. But have you ever heard about vaginitis? It is an inflammation of the mucosa in the vagina and is caused by pathogenic bacteria or fungi. This type of condition can affect more or less 1/3 of women who are of childbearing age. The best thing is that today we will tell you how you can treat vaginitis naturally. The vagina tends to harbor a number of microorganisms that may be beneficial or pathogenic. For this reason, vaginitis can be caused. Factors such as maintaining balance will depend on age, lifestyle and how the woman's ovaries work. Treatment for vaginitis. The advice we bring you is what some gynecologists recommend. Even sometimes, using antibiotics to treat vaginitis may make the problem worse, which can lead to the spread of fungal infection. Also, the use of chemicals and medications frequently cause allergic reactions and excessive dryness. The good news is that we can also find natural remedies, which help us to normalize the female genital microflora and that are used to remove the symptoms unwanted by vaginitis. Remember that before starting any treatment, the respective analysis must be done to discover which pathogen triggered the disease, be the bacteria or fungi. Boiling chamomile, it is something that from the antiquity was used to help the women to maintain the health. Put in a liter of water 2 tablespoons of dried chamomile flowers and wait until it is about to boil, then let stand between 5 to 10 minutes. With this solution it makes rinses and douches doubles, continues with this process until the microflora normalizes. To prevent a vaginal infection, you need to consume a sufficient amount of dairy products, use clothes with natural fabrics, and for intimate hygiene, use soft products that have lactic acid.
Do you want to get rid of your yeast infection in just 12 hours? Well, guess what? You can click the link in the description and get cured. Oh, and one more thing, it's permanent. You'll never have to worry about your yeast infection coming back ever again. So click that link in the description and get cured.